Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and today I'm here to share two subscription boxes. The first is Pink and Main. Comes in this pink box, and they do a couple of different ones. They have a foiling one, they have a stamp and die of the month, and they have a box of the month. And you have the option of skipping. So if you want to skip a month, you can do that. I subscribe to two of them, the stamp and die of the month as well as the box of the month, but I skip frequently. So I just don't have time, and it has to be something really, special. I really liked this one. First of all, I'll share with you a card I just received. This birthday card. My birthday is July 1st. So I did get a birthday card. But let's get into what you get in this box. So, all right, what you get. First, we get a envelope that we can, or what do you call these? Mesh bags that you can put your stuff in, which I love. Then you, I have no idea why this is all stuck like that. A little thing that tells you what you get. They call it the Crafty Courtyard Kit. This one is called, or the theme is Ocean Life. So it tells you all the things you're going to get. These are the colors that they're recommending for this kit, or the colors of the kit. And so this is the paper, and I really like the paper this time. I like that we got this metallic page. We got all this paper. I never have to buy cardstock, but I don't know. I love cardstock. So here we go. And then we've got, this is called Light Rays, but I've seen it used as like an ocean floor, like the light coming down into the ocean, which I think is pretty cool. Maybe a bowling alley. I don't know, but it's cool. I don't have anything like it, which I like. So I like when I don't have it. So there's that. And then I also don't have these types of dies. So this is great for building ocean scenes that can then be used with any of the other stamps and dies and things you have in your collection. So I liked that. This one's called Coral Reef Dies. You can get a look at what that looks like. This one is called Ocean Animals. It gives you that look of what that looks like. And then I really liked the stencil. So the stencil does like an ocean floor. So you've got these school of fish, and you've got, something to build an ocean floor with. I think it's, ocean floor stencil. And then we got this really great ocean life stamp set that can go with all the other things that you have in your collection. It's not just specific. So I like that. And then the ocean life paper pad, which is very cool. I'm liking that. And then we've got the sticky gems, and we've got some very pretty sequins. So I like that. And then next we have the box of the month. So the box of the month from Not Too Shabby Shop has been sold out. So it became available, and I like this month, but I was really interested in next month. I think the theme is like a sweet shop type theme. But one opened up, and for some reason I thought it was going to start in July, but I got this month's box, which is fine, except I already bought a couple things from it. So which is fine, because I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, like a back to school giveaway. So it probably won't be until I go back to work. So maybe August 1st, the end of July, I'm going to probably do a giveaway. I'm hoping to hit 4,000 subscribers, and then I can do a subscriber giveaway. And so any of the duplicates that I've got from the Not Too Shabby Shop from this month will go in that giveaway, and maybe some other things as well. It's going to be a good giveaway. So you have to be a subscriber, and I think it's just going to be a comment on videos style, like totally low-key type giveaway is my jam. So let's get into what this box includes. So there's a couple really amazing things happening with the Not Too Shabby Shop. I've got some links in there to a couple other things, one of which is their virtual retreat, which is free. But they do have a kit for it, which I'm sure you can use your other stuff. But if you're interested in getting the kit, I think it's still available. The other thing that they have is their, what do you call it? Their, the die that they have that cut, the Easy Wonder die. And I am loving that die, but they have an Easy Wonder 2 die coming out, as well as add-ons for the 1 and the 2. And I think between those dies, I mean, you can do a lot of things with your paper. And there's a couple other dies that I have in my collection that I also like for using scrap. But what's really nice with one pass of the Easy Wonder 1 and 2 die, you can cut all these different pieces out with your 6x6 paper. I think it's great. It's a great value. And I've got some videos where I'm already using that die. So I highly recommend it. I think it's really great. So not too shabby shop. I'm pulling everything out. So, oh, it's going to be noisy. Sorry about that. I'll look and see what I got here. So you also get, when you do it, oh, it's like a Gillette code. Okay, got you. So there's that, and then you get a code. Get this box out of the way. You get a code for 15% off for the month that you are a subscriber. So anything that you purchase, which I think is really, really great. There's different things that you can do. You can belong to the YouTube membership. And what's nice about the membership, I think it's like $6.99 a month. And you get a lot of sneak peeks early, but she also has little freebies. So last month was, we got a free ephemera. One time we got a free stamp set, little mini stamp set. So you get a lot of little bonus stuff, and it's just nice to be a part of that group. So there's some things there. And then this is my coupon code, so I'm going to stick that here. This is the free gift. We get the enamel dots for free. And then generally, she also gets like a little freebie in here. So usually there's like extra enamel dots or gems, and a little sweet treat is usually what we get. So that's in there. But the box will have 2 paper pads generally, along with matching ephemera. So we have the Tropical Hippos and Sailing. And Sailing is the one that I bought because I just love these colors. I love these colors. And so I do have that as well. So I will be saving it for a giveaway. But we have the Tropical Hippos ephemera, which is adorable. And then we have the one that matches the Sailing, which is adorable as well. And then generally there's 3 stamp sets, unless one of the stamp sets is a 6x8. Generally then you only get 2, so it just depends. So this would go really well with my new Pink and Main stuff. This is called Ocean Adventures, and then this one is Vacay Mode. And then this one is Aloha. So I always love the tropical themed things because I can always find lots of ways to use it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy praying for Heart.